I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Jenkins. First, always back up your Jenkins home directory. This crucial step protects your data if anything goes wrong during the update. Next, carefully review the release notes for the new Jenkins version. Pay close attention to any breaking changes or specific upgrade instructions. Finally, confirm your server meets the updated system requirements like Java version or available memory to ensure a smooth transition. Now let's perform the update. Begin by downloading the latest Jenkins WAR file directly from the official website, or use your system's package manager if Jenkins was installed that way. Once downloaded, stop your running Jenkins service completely. This ensures no files are in use during the replacement. Then, replace the existing Jenkins WAR file in its installation directory with the new one you just downloaded. After replacing the file, start your Jenkins service again. Immediately monitor the startup logs for any errors or warnings that might indicate a problem. Next, navigate to the Jenkins UI and check your installed plugins. Ensure they are all compatible with the new version and functioning as expected. Finally, run a few of your most critical jobs to confirm they execute successfully and produce the correct results, ensuring operational continuity. If you encounter issues, don't panic. First, consult the extensive Jenkins community forums. Many common update problems have already been solved there. If problems persist and are unresolvable, remember your backup. Reverting to your previous Jenkins home directory can save you significant downtime. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. This resource offers valuable insights beyond technical updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.